From the inside, Newsom, Trooper celebration. The middle lanes of St. Thomas Aquinas, Wellington, Coral Glades. The outside lanes of Lake Brantley, Evans, and Ocoee. Even across the back straightaway. Keep an eye on Ocoee. Out in lane number 9. They've had a great day today. Out of West Orlando, Ocoee High School. On the inside is Evans from West Orlando. Two rivals right here from Central Florida, running in heat number 1. Lane number 7 is Lake Brantley from Seminole County. Ocoee, great first leg. Out of lane number 9, they'll get the stick first. A 3-turn stagger, and the athletes will break at the beginning of the back straightaway. And heading into the back straightaway, Ocoee with a commanding lead. Ocoee now with the 40-meter lead over the Chase Field. This is Harrington of Ocoee. Harrington's going to get a third leg for the Knights of Ocoee. The Trojans of Evans. Ocoee and Evans. Less than 10 miles separate those two schools. In Central Florida, our rivals. Ocoee now showing that they are in command of heat number 1. 200 meters to go in leg number 3. Entering for the Knights of Ocoee is going to be Prosper. Ocoee, Evans sneaking up right now. These two schools have been rivals for quite some time in Central Florida, and they're about to. Let's go, get on right here. Ocoee and Evans. The Evans Trojans in green. The Ocoee Knights in gold and black. We got 200 meters left to go in this race. It's a matter of pride between these two schools. The Evans Trojans, the Ocoee Knights. Two Central Florida schools, both from Orange County.